All right, good morning and welcome to Obed TV here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Na eneno meden sempa na nam masempa pa bia mate ni se woye. Ena meden sempa enkwa na nam efa Kumase Asante Kotoko. There be we ba ku bia se enye da bi wom kakra. But then sempa na ye more about Kumase Asante Kotoko ena mede ebro. And there'll be a lot of engagement. We are quick video, very quick. And the mama sharp. Now, and Kumasi Asante Kotoko friendly game. I was the Pajo Sports Complex. One said, "Na medical can want some chairman or panel Kotoko friendly game." Now the BCB and the Bremo. And the Bremo. There are a lot of commercial news, positive commercial news from Kotoko's camp. Media no super Bremo. Asante Kotoko players ni be start a national team call-up. Yes, national team call-up. Me the also ever bro. Now, Greater Accra circles. And so then she be go akwemu for Kotoko game on the ball against Accra Lions. Then some the farmers some the emede. Me the also ever bro. So a lot of news. And I'm wondering when I don't pay I was Obed TV. Enye asem ketwa. You need to stick and stay with me. Na yentimi enshimbo. But quickly, let's start the conversation. And Ewo Tamale, Coach Akwesia Pia, Asante Kotoko, technical director. One say all pray akunya for ESCO. Enya Semketwa ESCO. So beko executive council of the Ghana Football Association. Now and then abatuono baso. Na abatoɔ no ye nyinaa ya wo hye coach Akwasi Apia all the best na abatoɔ no watimi awura mu bi na ye bepopo aba no na ye hwɛ mpanimfo a wo mo etiraye yi a wo mo ekɔ ESCO no so a na opanyine fe na Akwasi Apia ye behwɛ no na ne din eden eka ho nti ye hye coach Akwasi Apia all the best our executive council election na eba so no on say o hwɛ dia competition ni mu odin pa Benyo Bita Freddy Kachi, Samuel, Enim Yeboa, Randy Abbey, Eka Ure Mwanana, Udro Safo, Onoso Ete Chirebi, Ubenya Openina, Oko Media Masoya, Dr. Tony Obed, said Omunina so Kahua more competing for that particular position. And it is not easy. Benya William Abebio of Pofwakwatano, so Munina Kahua. Omo compete for the ESCO seat no and the coach Akwasi Apia wishing all the best na ontimi enwura mu na de besi bia no ye be bremo later on Obed TV. Now to Asante Kotoko is pleased to announce that it has reached an agreement for the extension of contract with a fintech and mobile money company ZP for a period of 1 year. The mobile money transaction giants who have been working with the club since 2021-2022 season sees their association with the club as beneficial. Hence, there is a need to continue with us as we aim to reclaim our place in Africa and also win another league title. Enti emerebi atwam ye de beto manim se Kumase Asante Kotoko NZP mpanimfo akohia na meka cho se na abenya nana apenkra Akwasi awua kontompo ni afari hene oye a member or the leader of the IMC together with Dr. James Akwasi Apia ekohia omo eni omo di nkomo e ma me beto anim se contract extension be koso. We catch us a high sense in time in Tiam and Sakan say high sense by extending the contract. Saso and ZP ever extending the contract. For Betika and the others I can't say because for now the Mahuni said Asante Kotoko almost post-match and pre-match press conference. Backdrop Asante Kotoko use on the high sense, the whole brand, any ZP bebo. So last 2 weeks, Obi pay critical attention. Bianu say na ZP Kotoko the naka the backdrops no. Emma me cry me catch obi so 1 year deal na kind no any moment from now officially Kotoko be announce it. And I'm saying I can't want some that then tini empesi be can't want some bill. But officially and then Asante Kotoko announce say only CP I extend the contract no by another year. Na eno ena womo ede talk man say Asante Kotoko enim say omechita for enim say they are entreating the royal funds to choose CP for all their local financial transactions. Eno a story free over 18 Asante Kotoko there no good news mienu na aba ZP contract no ometime extend sika de ho hia pa my good brother sika ho hia papa woni sika wonsem no eya na esua enti se nyame wadom na as a football club sponsorships we start to say ba na chese things are moving in the right direction tiembo IMC na so again you cannot talk about ZP no way you need okofa by in Nana Amponsan and his management Nana Amponsan management no bomodin and okofa a year ZP by and I chese IMC so by no obehu the need say ombeto so na ombe kipu a year that partnership number twaso omunko na so omubejai amama partnership na twaso a ama bibia ekoye e de ama Asante Kotoko no so e de fi oba amete e now in other news and I'm saying bon sem to kuma say Asante Kotoko no a omne namoro e FC about a friendly game our Pajo Park na players is ya kind in here obenya goalkeeper Moise Poitier say other goal post now when you're guesting at Japan a very good news because last week at Japan to me make it a 20 man squad at Japan to me 20 on the right back on the ball left back was Nicolas or Seibonsu on the ball left back and Daouni Yaya and Sheriff Mohammed ejina chiri ho na Justice Blay ejina menim sometimes na almost swap kakra Blay ko chiri na Sheriff abenim but omomienu cheboy but Daouni Yaya ebo a can say chiri obi which is a good news midfield no na chese Mohammed Sheriff any Blay shared 5-4 then you get Richmond Lamptey and then Enoch Morrison Lamptey Morrison operated from the right side, Lamptey operated from the middle together with Shadrach Ado and George Infege on the left and Kalu Watara Mami Chechirimi on say Sheriff Mohammed defender of free bench be ye Daouni Yaya Efrimu and Bena Sumwa Ebemu Ebeyi Shadrach Ado so Efrimu and a changes a hold one ekoko so sa ema team efend Asante Kotoko mokwala ebe si akan bi ebe yi Richmond Lamptey mu nyina ede Efrimu ebe bibia koyie ede ma Asante Kotoko nti me bosu biema Poitier e Japan Nicolas Osei-Bonsu Daouni Yaya Justice Blay Sheriff Mohammed Enoch Morrison Richmond Lamptey George Infege Kalu Watara and Shadrach Ado na omo she goals no and I'm a bonito at the amount. Kalu Watara enya 2 goals for Kotoko against Namoro FC. And Richmond Lamptey enya goal ho and a Bernard Somwa on also enya goal from the bench, you know. Bernard Somwa ebe goal. Edema Kumase Asante Kotoko. The sad news ne woman say Richmond Lamptey na say uniform because now Asoya pick a slight knock ho. So there was a knock. Richmond Lamptey pick ya. Nunti na say technical team no it me Lamptey film no for to be cautious and protect the boy from any scary injury biano or me Richmond Lamptey film and finally Bernard Somwa so free bench ebe she go now talking about Bernard Somwa and I no pay yeah that's sorry and that is the good news about be boom na church say Asante Kotoko branch and Bernard Somwa moko fa no free atonsu anointed FC no when you call up at the Rwanda national under 17 team. So you see the importance of going for these young players. See Kotoko team no sha na say Dembele ho Richmond Opoku Dembele na ubenya Fatau Seidu or a young goalkeeper unya Shadrach Ado or national under 20 unya Rocky Gamana ubenya Daouni Yaya so mu nyina susa Peter Akwa na baba benya Amran defend Bernard Somwa Inti Kotoko nkwala be 7 almost fall below the national under 20 system no. All things being equal no. If these guys are getting more playing time, and you want to national under 20 no, obe page when you hear no. Na Kotoko players baby me and sebi etime with them. Most of you talk about Dreams FC, Simone, Vision FC, most of the national team na boso, the juvenile national team because omo nkwala no more chance no. So when you akwala no kra na you can't even lobby for the child. Apart from Sobeka say yes, omo FA so they will lobby and put their players there no. They will name near say you be share Kotoko team no. Near shema na akwala bia no below 20 a. Who can cry now call lobby man. You can't lobby for anybody. But now Fata will say do ho. Obenya Dawuni ya so ho. Obenya Richmond Opoku Dembele so no so ho. Obenya Rocky Jamana. Na benya Shadrack Ado. Wenya Peter Aqua. Wenya Bernard Somwa. We mu nyina below 20. They do their dia. Any of these guys perform obiano. You can easily push them into the national under 20 team. You need the potential. You need the kits. Before so it me lobby a piano. So that's good news for Bernard Somwa. So we national under 20 team no. National under 17 team no. Almost 55 players me from. So let's wish him all the best. So bet me akwa impressive. No kono ko impress ya. Na boa ama penny for etimi ama na to so aye adwuma. There is another thing I said to wedding when it comes to Asante Kotoko. Well, so this particular friendly match no, it was organized for players enya more playing time. Sana penny 4 a.m. So in the morning, Mranti be training. In the morning no Dalad Ibrahim Frederick Asaremo na wenya Samuel Asamoah na Benjini Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin na wenya Michael Chejamana Andrew Sintimenu Baba Yaya Eric Zeze Mukwala kan ho bi bosan be ye wi ani bi Mukwala wenya Peter Aqua Isaac Opon wamu ye training anopa because in Penifo decided say this friendly match and more nya bi bon future lineup now. Lamptey free bench in the buy is also coming from injury. So someone more time to play. Tim Morrison in Yabi Bo, Sheriff Mohammed Kotokone, Karela played from the bench in Someone Bebo. And when I'm design friendly match in the moment, Tim Figa and Bobby, Kalu Watara and Bobby, Bernard Somwa free bench by around the 77 minutes. And so in Yabi Bo, what I said Morrison and Yabi and Bo. Nicholas and Yebiambo, Japan and Yebiambo, so they organized that friendly match for them. So you make people up the pace and the match fitness with more boy. And the other training will continue. The whole team will continue their training as they prepare to play against the Accra Lions. Fortunately for Kotoko, Omo Yawada, if you had a memory that maybe a question, and I'm saying a crentino, and so I'm contem no mokoda. Maybe a question, no panel, or make me a last training. Now after that, no. Obesim Accra they say be 4 hours. Ti free about 12 krana by bare 5 normal rested. And each man there normal call. So there will be more training sections, but now coaching person use midweek way. And the page at the match fitness or for more money being born. Send here anytime be a person of full be free or players and be born be sure more money be born. The fitness level no any more mobile born fitness level on the bear and my own be with team and drop out the tempo. So Asante Kotoko news or ha meeting the amamo se Obed TV no and pay and man down there chile at the amamo. Until we meet again, adios, bye bye.